As much as I love you, yeah. Would you hurt me, baby? Could you do that to me, yeah? Okay, so this is section 9-2, analytical geometry, and we'll be focusing on circles. So let's start off with the equation of a circle. Okay, so here we have the equation of a circle. R squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Okay, the R stands for radius, radius squared, and our h and our k are the center point. And here is a diagram of a circle. As you can see, here is our radius from the center point onward, and our center point would be hk. Okay, so using the circle equation, we can plug in numbers for the radius and the h and the k. Or if we are given the center and the radius, we can find the equation. So I have an example. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. Okay, now it's really important that we keep our x's and our y's together. So we would rewrite this. I'm going to get a different color. X squared, we're going to take our negative 6x plus y squared plus 2y, and then we're going to go ahead and move the 6 over to the other side. So equals negative 6. Okay, now we need to complete the square. So x squared minus 6x plus, we're going to leave a blank for now, plus y squared plus 2y, we're going to leave a blank, equals negative 6 plus blank plus blank. Sorry, my handwriting is very messy. Okay, so let's take half of negative 6, which is negative 3, and we're going to square that. That would be 9. We're going to add that to both sides. Half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1, and we're going to add that to both sides. Okay, now we can FOIL. Let's get rid of that. So we're going to get x minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared, and that equals 4. So hopefully you guys will recognize that this matches up to the circle equation. And if we were to ask to name the radius, you should know that the radius squared is what is in our equation. So the radius would equal 2 because 2 squared is 4. And our center point would be, take our x, 3, negative 1. And that is our answer. Okay, so I have another example. This time we are asked to find the center and the radius. Okay, so it's x squared plus y squared minus 4y minus 5 equals 0. Okay. So the first step is grouping our y's and our x's together. There's no other x, so we just keep that. So x squared, looks like everything's already in order, plus y squared minus 4y, and we're going to go ahead and move the 5 over. Equals 5. Okay, let's complete the square. X squared plus, well, since there's no other x, we just keep it like that. So x squared plus y squared minus 4y plus equals 5 plus something. Okay, now we complete the square. Negative 4, half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So we add 4 to both sides. Okay, x squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 9. Okay, so So now you can recognize that our radius squared is 9, so our radius is 3. And since there's no other x, we just call the x 0, and that would be 2. Now, if we were asked to graph our solution, it's very simple. You just draw this. Okay, so we just plot our center point, which is 0, 2. So that would be up 2. Here, I'm going to do this in black. That would be up 2. And now, our radius determines how far in every direction you're going to go. So, we're going to go up 3. We're going to go over 3 from the center. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go to the left. 3, 1, 2. And we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very easy. Now we just connect the dots. And it makes a circle. So that is how you graph your circle. Okay, here we have another problem. Find the equation of the circle with a center 3, -4, and radius 6. So real simple, we just plug it into our equation. Again, our equation is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Okay, the radius is 6, so we do radius squared. Okay, so that would be 36. You can't see that color. 36. Okay. The 3 and the -4, this is our h, and this is our k. So we just plug that in. So we keep the x minus 3 squared plus y, and our k is negative, so this becomes positive, plus 4 squared. And that is our answer. Okay, I just have one last example. We are asked to find the center and radius and graph. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 22 equals 0. So we're just going to do what we've been doing. We're going to group them together. So x squared plus 8x plus 2y, plus y squared minus 2y. Go ahead and move this over to the other side. Equals -22. Okay, let's complete the square. Oh. X squared. Okay, so now we can complete the square. We get 16 here, and -1. Okay, and then we end up with x minus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared, and this all equals -5. And as you know, -5 equals r squared, but this is not possible. And -5 cannot be the radius. So our answer is not